everyone, welcome back. So today I have another of my LA Life influenced dishes. So we are making my spicy prawn and vegetable tacos. So let's start cooking. We are starting with marinating our prawns. I'm only making tacos for me today, so not a large portion. Chop a garlic. A little bit of chili. Pinch of salt. Chop coriander stalks. This is the heartbeat of the coriander, but these would be sauteed, so cooked really rapidly and you won't feel them at all. And the juice of half lime. Reserve them on the side for 10-15 minutes. For one of our toppings, we can toast some cashew nuts. And yes, I'm making my tacos. So here we have 100 grams of corn flour. And we have 75 milliliters of water. We mix our mixture, we add a little bit of salt. So this dough is really quick to put together, but let's reserve our dough now. Our cashew nuts are really getting toasted now. So one thing I want to add to really give them a different kick is just half a spoon of olive oil, a little bit of salt, chili powder. The chili powder will really glue these cashew, and when you bite them they will be really crispy and really spicy. These are now done. Just put them on the side, cool down. So now we can go into our vegetables. What I do is I do a cold vegetable salad. I cut my vegetables, as you can see, very thinly. These are quite crisp vegetables, so I'll add them all together into a bowl. You know, I'll add, to bring the citrus and to really soften a little bit these vegetables, I'll add lime juice. As you know, Mexican food has a lot of lime juice, and for me, this is perfect. I love lime juice, and it's really healthy and really good for us as well. So we just add a lime juice, a little bit of salt. This is a really quick recipe, perfect to do it at any moment of the day when you need a quick, great fix. I have a lot of those moments. Start on my prawns, a little bit of olive oil. This pan should be really hot because I just toasted my cashew nuts. It's quite hot already. So I'll add my prawns. Try to not add the lime juice, just the prawns. Let them sizzle while the heat should be high and they should cook really quick. So half a minute on each side. These prawns are now ready. So let's start on our tacos. I don't have a taco pressure, so what I do, I use some kitchen paper. I fold it in half and take some of the dough. Make a little ball with the dough. I put it in the middle. With a roller, I just roll up my tacos. So I'm using the kitchen paper because this dough breaks quite easily, so it's easier to transport and easier to roll. So these should have 3 to 4 millimeters of thickness. And voila! Here's my taco. I'll add a little bit of olive oil. So I first open on one side and then I turn it around and I open the other side. So this way, very easy to put on the pan. They're really quick, it's like 2 minutes on each side. Perfect moment to take them. I don't have a taco holder, what I did was I used some foil and I made a taco holder. So we're gonna take our taco and we're gonna shake it. Open on one side, turn around, open on the other side. And this is the reason why you open on both sides, because if one is really glued, then you can come back and fix it. Don't be scared, there's some little break, just fix it with your hands. So into our vegetable salad now, I'm gonna add some chopped spinach. I didn't add at the beginning because I didn't want the spinach to cook in the lime juice. Roughly chopped. Add it to our spinach. And now to our salad, a little bit of olive oil again. Pepper. We had put some salt before. Mix it up. Here we have our second and we are ready to plate. So now, I hope you go and make these tacos, because now